Well, here is the LT10 wood miser sawmill. Probably should have filmed how we got down here, but kind of down through that direction and up the hill and over the hill, and it was a mess. Here's the rails for it. Oh, rat. That's Ma down there cutting firewood. Here's the rails. I'm gonna start putting this together today. Got a little muddy. That's the engine in there, blade, and accessories. Alright. We'll catch up with you in a little bit after we get something done. Alright, got it all laid out. Well, we're getting there. We are leveling, which is taking a little while, but that was expected. The terrain is not exactly level out here. So once we get it level, we're gonna just go ahead and use the winch, turn that heavy sucker right there, get that thing turned, and somehow muscle those pulleys right there so that they line up with those tracks. So, too easy. Alright, Ma's up there somewhere planting flowers.